Look at all the ashes on the ground.
All this, like...
Yeah, it's ashes.
This is unlike anything I've seen. Look, it's all over the car. This is my dad's car. See all this black stuff?
With houses burning down.
Get out of the area.
They're evacuating him to Mira Mesa's head towards Poway.
Your picture and what
Arson.
Martin Christie did in Poway.
Rapidly.
See, look, the sunlight is orange. It's in the smoke. The sun's shining through the smoke. I've never seen the sun be all red like that. It's bizarre. Had a whole bunch of sirens earlier. Oh, you can hear them again. How bad?
It might be the worst fire in the history of Southern California.
Oh.
San Diego.
Yeah, okay.
It's like a 2-mile-long wall of flame. That's good. If that keeps going that way, I can hit towards Mira Mesa.
This is a live picture.
That's
Oh my gosh.
Up in Chapel. This fire slowly advanced on a densely populated area.
Some of these homes are also affected by the flames.
At last report
This is
from
terrible.
the California Department of Forestry, there had been several civilian injuries. That was in the Ramona area. We are certainly keeping our fingers crossed that there will be no more injuries, but looking at this, it's hard to believe that there won't be, because so many homes are threatened in this area. Certainly, if people don't suffer some sort of burn injuries, there will be lots of smoke inhalation as people try and get out of the area.
We have most of the animals out of this area off Sycamore Canyon, but we have a couple more hot spots that have come up on the side. We've got something going on the top of this hill here, and I can't honestly tell you what there is in the way of structures on the other side of that hill.
Bad dog.
The fire is hitting.
I think we're going to maybe be okay because of the wind, but the wind.
Her
mom and her brother lost their home.
In the Deep Portola area, we're told. Let's go to Copa's Mark Evans in the
down there, and it's just unbelievable what is happening. The most dangerous fire right now in the Temecula Valley. If you head out Rancho California Road, most people are familiar with the
you're going to live with them. No.
Point with this fire raging, I can see flames on the hillside now, black smoke, and it is definitely out of control. A serious situation, especially if it heads west into town.
To help firefighters.
Fire's right up that hill. Fire.
Yeah, it was approaching. Looks like it's been pushed off to the north, approaching Escondido evening hours.
So we could have some good news for firefighters as we head into.
I don't like husband. Be okay if they. I just hope Amanda's gonna be okay. She should be harmless.
You know what? I think it's not gonna. You guys probably aren't gonna be going to school tomorrow.
Mommy, it's that person's fault because of this fire.
That I've never seen.
All the people watch the news. Well, some people aren't leaving because they don't want to leave. Because that's where they were. Or John Davy's house. They'll lose everything. Mommy said Grandma and Grandpa had to pack up a few things. I know. Mommy, do you think Grandma and Grandpa's house will be burned down?
No.
I don't know.
It would be so... No, because that's what Walmart.
It's burning out, it looks like. If no wind picks up. You're going to have a hard time coming down the hill unless the wind drives it. Hello?
Dad.
It seems pretty calm so far. Look at all the people in the park.
This is where we used to live.
Because they had to leave their home.
Yeah, so Valley Center, hundreds of people lost their houses. So they're going to the park and all that. No, they're
frightened. A lot of people don't even have homes now.
8 people died. Alright, we just went to Antares right now. We're to drop our things off.
Find out what's going on the road.
All those orange lights are fires on the mountain.
San Diego County has been horrible, and there will be.
I thought that was the stuff.
see.
5 big fire trucks, a paramedic vehicle.
Mike and me are going to take a long walk and try to get an idea about that fire over there.
How many fires are there total?
I don't know. Several.
3
major ones in San Diego County, one in Temecula, one in San Bernardino.
What did you do? Change? What's going on? I used to go to school here when I was little. So check this out. It's very rare to see something like this. It's bigger than it looked. It smells like matches out here because they have the flares. Flares. I haven't seen them this close before.
Yeah, just cut across me.
Dude, that is getting bad. Oh my gosh. Right there. When we first got there, it was just a little wide. Now it's getting even wider.
Looks like it's coming up and right toward us.
Oh my gosh.
Daily Ranch, that's what's coming down.
Oh yeah, that's where that one is over there.
If it reaches Daily Ranch, it gets to Dixon Lake. It's getting closer to this. We're closer to this.
Yeah, you can
this
see.
fire is closer to this one to this one.
It's on the inside of Daily Ranch and Dixon Lake right now, on that side of it. You can see it right by the water purification station where we get all our drinking water is Dixon Lake. And that station's what purifies it. If it gets on fire, that will shut down all the drinking water for Escondido and San Marcos. They're still coming. Some of them are going down. These are all coming down the mountain because they got it blocked off down here by route.
Valley Center, going to Valley Center is not blocked.
Oh, you can't get up that way. You can't. Right down here on Citrus.
San Diego, as strong as they are, I feel very confident that we will have a new day. It will be a bright day for San Diego.
Right there.
Yeah.
Yeah, look right here. You can see it.
Yeah, look at all these. The plants are still black.
Oh yeah, I mean it's stripped still. All bushes.
Yeah, these are all green.
It's right up here where the mudslide was yesterday.
Was?
Yeah, it looked like it was up by right up here. Look at
oh, look at that green.
Yeah, they shot that on there. It's called hydroseeding. It's hydroseeding. I think it was right here where the mudslide was. It's right where we went over, or right up here.
This is a fire.
Yeah.
See where that slab is? That used to be a mobile home. Now there's nothing there. It's gone.